live caption. Okay, we'll see what it is. Okay. Okay. So here it is. So we discussed about some run commands and Windows CMD. Okay, it is just try to one or twice about the commands in your virtual machine, so you can understand how to do it. Not required to learn every command, guys. What I told the commands, that is compulsory, that is just right. Okay, other things also, there is a few more extra things are there, like a set command is very good command. Okay, set command is very good command. Disk part, var version commands, like that. Okay, but few small theory points also we are missing, so this first I will tell that one. Editions in our Windows 10. Okay, so we have a different type of editions are there. So in earlier, like a Windows Vista, Windows 7, that time, so we have a different type of editions, like a home basic, okay, professional, enterprise, business, ultimate, like that. Okay, so different type of things are released in a Windows Vista, Windows 7, but Windows 8 onwards they're limited like this. Windows 10 Home Edition. Windows 10 Home Edition for any user. I'm using Home Edition because I purchased a laptop and my laptop got a operating system, basically Home Edition. Like I have a desktop. Now I want to install operating system in it, so I can go to market and purchase Windows 10 Home Edition. It means Windows 10 Home Edition for a home users or a personal computer purpose or a basic users. Next, Windows 10 Pro means professional editions. Windows 10 Pro for a professional editions, individual users and organizational levels. Also you can use it for a organizational or a individual persons. Pro has a certain features which compare to home editions. Okay, for example, if you say Hyper-V compared to home, okay, we have a Windows 10 Pro having a Hyper-V. So normally group policies means local group policies. Local group policy is there. See, local group policies also available in Pro. From Pro, home doesn't have that one. You can join domain joining. You can join. We can add your system to domain. You can add. You can connect. It is a domain. That time when it is domain and kind of Windows Server kind of stuff, that time I will tell. But now domain joining is there. Local group policies are there. Hyper-V is there. Okay, maybe Bitlocker is there. Okay, Bitlocker kind of certain features are available. Enterprise related one. Enterprise. Windows 10 enterprise for enterprise purpose only. It means a normal user cannot purchase it. It is organizational level licenses. That's why we downloaded enterprise. We can't download home or pro like a ISO image type. You have registration compulsory. Okay, so enterprise we directly downloaded. Okay, so because of in organizational level kind of stuff, but it is a 90 days evaluation version is given. Okay, of course enterprise is mainly for enterprise purpose only, means organizations means Savantis, HCL, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Cognizant, like these are companies, organizations. in their organization, in their laptops and desktops, use enterprise edition only. Okay, enterprise editions only. Of course, enterprise edition is having all features as everything, but plus BitLocker, Windows to go, along with all Windows 10 features. Okay, along with all Windows 10 features, these features also additionally available. Next, why I'm writing with some space kind of stuff, because this mobile edition for a mobile phones, it is for a mobile phones, but Windows 10 mobile edition is released, mobile and tablet purpose, it is released and it is also stopped. And in that one, enterprise edition is also there. These are for a mobile phone purpose. Next, Windows 10 school edition means education. Education is for schools and universities. Okay, so in education compounds, education institutes, so they can give Windows 10 license to their students. The condition is minimum 13 years and above people can able to use this edition. It means you are some university student, very big university. The university is tie up with the Microsoft, and Microsoft providing a licenses for a Windows 10 education. So they got a email ID. So then insert email ID. So they'll get a education related background kind of stuff maybe. But condition is if you want to use that one, you may require higher. Okay. Of course, one point we missing it is already I told some, but so when it is come to the Windows 10 editions, also go to the features. Okay, some common features with the previous one to now, but so specific Windows 10 features and common features from Windows 8 to Windows 10 is also there. Guys, if anybody is using Windows 11, try to go to Google and find it. So what are the specific features in your Windows 11 compared to Windows 10? Also better to know it, because it's a, guys, people think interview means there is a 10 or 20 questions are there. So you have to answer some of the questions. Some are maybe relevant, some are may not be relevant. There is a no question is relevant or irrelevant question. It is a question and there is an answer. That's it. The answer is should not be I don't know. The answer is should not be I don't know. You should give a proper answer. To give proper answer, maximum scoring. Better to know things which is you already know. Things which is you already know. Already you have. Already you are working on it. Observations. Sometimes people ask questions based on observations. So that is the thing. Like you guys ask one question, right? IP config and IP config slash all. You are other batch, I didn't remember, but check it the difference between IP config and IP config all. What is the differences? What are the things you are getting here and there? Okay, like that. Start menu. Maybe if you know the Windows 7 and Windows 7 and Windows 8, the start menu style is different in a Windows 10. So look at this. This is my start menu style. You can see in the left side, you can see there is a lot of apps are there. See, you can see. Okay. And here the connecting means instead of searching for a Visual Studio, I can open it from here. Instead of searching for a Microsoft Edge or a my Teams, so I can open from here. This is one thing. And also you are getting directly power, settings, pictures, user documents, Okay, like you can configure as per your requirement. If more icons are there, we can make it as a smaller also. Okay, I'm doing right click. See, you can unpin from start. You can remove it. You can resize it. You can make it smaller, medium, larger, or you can go to more. You can pin to taskbar. Run as administrator. Open file location. You can uninstall location also. You will get it. And what are the previous history? It is there. Recent folders I used on the Visual Studio. Okay. So like this, lot of easy thing is there. Next one is search. So you can search applications, documents. Line 11 minus 3. Just I'm trying with the Windows. No, sorry. 1103 Windows. So it is searching for something in a web, and also it is searching my PC also. So Windows 10 PPT. Okay, Windows 10 PPT. So I'll share this PPT also. I think yeah, it is Madhusar PPTs. So I'll share it to you. Okay. So see, this is easy to search if you know the name in your system, or in a web search is also possible. You can search applications, you can search documents. Okay, that is one more. Search for a search find files or application web search. What is a search engine? Bing. Bing. Microsoft search engine is Bing. Cortana. So you know this is a Cortana, right? So talk to Cortana. So it is a voice assistance. Okay, so like that. So sometimes it will give you proper result, sometimes not. Compulsory you have to give the Microsoft account to work with your Cortana. And these are the settings also available. Make sure your mic and everything should be set. It's a voice assistant. Hyper-V not available in a home editions. Hyper-V is a virtualization platform to create a virtual machines. Create, run, or VMs. Okay. Yeah, file history, task view, virtual desktop. It is not really a desktop, guys. It is just a workspace only. Okay. Task view. It will show the task view, task history. So if you click on this task view, so what I have done today, the entire current one. So maybe yesterday's. Okay, like this. Yesterday files I use it. Okay, like this. Okay. It is a task history. Next is same thing, virtual desktops. These are the desktop. In my current desktop, I'm using some application, right? So, okay, this is a different desktop. Either you can able to see or not. Okay, I changed my desktop location. So again, I'm coming back to normal location. Okay, so I'm working in a one desktop. For example, in one desktop, I'm seriously learning some software like a Python I'm learning. So in other desktop, I am playing a game or watching a movie. So when I want, I will go to learning mode. Okay. So instead of putting on your current space, I can put it in a different place. So for example, here it is, a command prompt is running and there something is open, right? So this is the task view. Click on a task view, click new desktop. So I'm selecting second desktop. See, it is whatever I am running, the desktop is showing, but where is the command prompt? Not even it is not showing here. Okay, not showing here also. So that is your task view. It is there in this desktop. So this is called a virtual desktop concept. This is called a virtual desktop concept. It's like a workspace. It's a very old concept in the Linux and Unix. In your Linux and Unix, it's a very old concept. In Windows 10, having this one. Microsoft Edge. Edge is a nothing but a web browser. Microsoft Edge, we already know that is a web browser. Default web browser. In Windows 10 specifically, it is in Windows 10 only. It is not there in any other thing. And people may ask, so what is a Internet Explorer? What is Internet Explorer? So Internet Explorer is also there in Windows 10. Internet Explorer is also there in a Windows 10. But currently we are not using. We are using Microsoft Edge or any other browsers also we are using. Okay. Because the newly created things are like extensions, browser extensions are not working in a Internet Explorers. So it is only supporting in a Edge. So Microsoft itself telling use Edge only, not a Internet Explorer. Tablet mode. What is this tablet mode? So if you know Windows 8, so then you can understand this tablet mode here. So just simply click on these notifications. You can convert this desktop into tablet mode. You can see this tablet mode. Click here. Okay, that's it. Now your PC is like a tablet. Okay, if you click on this, only you are getting power on like this. One app is running. Start menu. Okay, like this only. If you open something, it will open. Okay, depends upon you. If you have more apps, then you can able to see it. If I convert my PC into tablet mode, my physical PC into tablet mode, then you can see what are the lot of applications are located. And just a little fear to show you that one. What is here is look at here. My desktop is become like this. I'm scrolling down and up, but it is something. Okay, it's an app list. See, these are all applications. So it is tablet mode is suitable for tablet mode is suitable for like this. Okay, it's suitable for touch screen things. Actually, this metro styles and tablet mode kind of stuff introduced in Windows 8 itself. It's directly it is Windows 8, but Windows 10 we have a separate mode is tablet mode type. Okay, so this tablet mode we can convert your PC to 2-in-1. So when you are using 2-in-1 laptops kind of stuff, it means laptop converts into tablets. So in that kind of stuff, so tablet mode is very useful because you have a touch screen kind of stuff. Yeah, how to come out again? Go to this notification area. Just click turn off kind of stuff. Wi-Fi direct printing mode, hotspot. Okay, your mobile phone hotspot. You can convert your mobile phone like you're connected to 4G network, and you can distribute your internet to other Wi-Fi devices by making yourself hotspot. Same thing. Just you have to connect a power connection. Sorry, you have to connect it to a LAN network, and using so you have to your laptop is connecting to wire connection, and you can become a hotspot and we can distribute. Practically I done, because when we shifted one place to another place, so we don't have Wi-Fi router is not there. So then what we done, so I taken a cable to my laptop, and I started make my laptop as a hotspot. Okay, so Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless hotspot, I made that one. Okay, so projector mode, so direct projector we can able to connect it direct. Projector we can able to connect it. Of course, so many other things are there. So file history, BitLocker, file history, BitLocker, Windows Defender. Windows Defender, firewalls. Yeah, here it is. Okay, recovery. Recovery. Okay, in recovery, you can able to reset. You will get a two options. So in a reset, what happened? Your OS is reinstalled. If you got any big problem, okay, system is not working at all. So something is an issue, very big issue is happening to your system. Your system is not working. You open one file, it is opening with a different file system. Okay, so like that, it is completely weird working is there. So you can go to reset option. So then OS will be reinstalled. Apps will removed. Okay, next, what about the files? You'll get a either keep files, or you can delete files, remove files option is there, you can choose it. So go through that again. So we are in a normal position, right? This is the Microsoft Edge. Go to settings, guys. Already I told, if you go to settings, important is system, accounts, update and security. Just to look at only, and after this one, system, accounts, security, apps. Okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is recovery. Go to update and security, then you can find a recovery. Reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting this might help. This lets you to choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. Your apps will be removed. Okay, your apps will be removed, and OS will be reinstalled. But for files, you'll get two options. Either you can keep the files or remove files. Okay, so if you click on get started, Just wait. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Just look at. Keep my files. Remove everything. Keep my files. Remove everything. Keep my files. Okay. It shows. Okay. Remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. But keep your personal files. Remove everything. Remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So another important feature of Windows 10 is Windows Ink. This snippet is very beautiful, but earlier days Windows Ink is I like that one earlier one, but this is also okay, no problem currently. Yeah, to show you this is a we are in a update recovery part. Okay, so this part you can able to reduce. Okay. So I choose this option. I click on this option, then we are getting these two options. So you want to keep the files, first option. You want to remove these options. This is remove everything. So if you click this one, so this will appear. Advanced startup is also there. That is also we'll see. Okay. So this is don't touch anything, guys, without knowing. Just don't blindly do it. Okay. If it is a virtual machine, so maximum you are only. So if you are doing by mistake in a virtual machine, your virtual machine may damage, but nothing will happen to your physical machine. Okay. So next in the recovery, also we have a advanced startup option. Change your PC's firmware settings, change your startup setting, restore Windows from system image, and this will restart your computer. So that is again advanced option. And under recovery. Under recovery. What is this thing? So this is for to go to UEFI firmware settings. UEFI firmware settings. Also for a troubleshooting purpose. If you got any issues, to go to troubleshooting, startup repair. Okay, so you can get a startup repair, troubleshooting, BIOS settings. UEFI setting means BIOS settings.
Sir, your screen is paused.
My screen I can't able to see.
It's paused.
Now can
Yeah,
able to
sir.
see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Startup repair, of course, system image recovery. Like these options also we'll get in a advanced startup. So this is also we'll see. So how to we are already seen if what is a reset option, and we are also see what is this advanced options and what is a startup repair. Guys, when you start your computer, array, your system startup column is there. Automatically, system go to advanced options. Automatically, it will go. That's why Windows 10 is better than any other previous operating system, because earlier days, Windows XP, Windows Vista, you have to call to the technician. They have to insert a CD. They'll try to do something. They don't know what to do. They'll format your PC. It is happens with the Windows 7 also, same thing. But Windows 7, 8, 10. So that's the development in a Windows 10 is 8 and 10. Usually, if you got any problem with your operating system, automatically will go to repair options without inserting any CD, without inserting any particular CD. Okay, but we are already open. So then how to go? So go to click on restart now. So I'm going to advanced options. And also, when I'm using Windows 8 here, so that time my sister is using this computer, because this laptop is my sister's only, not our company's or mine. Okay, so laptop is belongs to my sister's only. Now what I'm trying to say is, look at this. This is the option. Some of you already know how to go to these options. Some are may not know. So here it is. So I'm trying to say is, when we are using Windows 8, that time Windows 8 is there. So what happened? System stop working. It means something is not good in the system. System power on. We got a Windows logo. We log in, but something is not working in properly. So I took it. That time I started teaching Windows 8 also. So little knowledge on Windows 8. Yeah, I have knowledge on Windows 8 that time, because I'm start using it. So before I teach also. Yeah. So what happened? I went to reset refresh option. Windows 8 having a reset and refresh option. Windows 10 reset option. Windows 8 reset refresh option. So I went to refresh option. Refresh option is like it reinstall OS, remove application, keep data. Your data will be, your files, your personal files will be there. It won't remove your personal files. So refresh. It took almost like a more than 2 to 3 hours. It take lot of time than compared to fresh installation. So like a 2 hours, 3 hours like that it will happen. Luckily we have a bus from Dilshuk Nagar to JNTU. AC bus is there. Metro luxury bus. That is a new bus. That time it is very new bus. So we have a power connection working that time. Now it is working, not working, I think so. So I put a charging to my laptop and I keep the laptop like that. This Nagar to this one, it will take almost 1.5 to 2 hours. So by that time the work it is finished. Then finally it is working. So that is a very useful thing in a Windows 8. So in Windows 10 it is a reset option. In the reset we are getting keep files or remove files. Keep files or remove everything. Okay, this is advanced options. Continue, exit, continue Windows 10, turn off the PC, use a device like a USB drive, network, or a recovery DVD to recover. This is troubleshoot option for going to troubleshoot. So next, if you want to reset this PC, then you can go to reset this PC option. Also from here also you can do it, or you can go to that. You can go to reset option directly. I'm going to advanced options. Advanced options. Advanced options. In advanced options, you are getting these options. Some of your PCs are old PCs that having only BIOS based settings, or only BIOS is enabled. So you may not see these UEFI firmware settings. Okay, if you are a UEFI based system, it is showing like this. So what we have to do? So what is the use of this option? To go to UEFI settings to change any BIOS related settings or UEFI related settings. Okay, hardware settings, hardware BIOS settings. That one. This is a startup repair. So when you start your PC, the loading may give a certain problem. Okay, because of your bootloader issues or OS loading files corruption or anything. if you do startup repair, so from your recovery drives are there automatically in your system only. So it try to recover bootable files, repair the bootable files, and it fixes the startup your system. So that is a startup repair. Sometimes your Windows 10 is updated. After updated, system not working good. Okay, after update, system is not working good. What to do? Uninstall recent updates. Uninstall any recent updates. Startup settings. Okay, we start a computer and it take lot of time, or it is working in a different way. So you want to change your behavior of startup, then also you can able to do it. So you want to do certain things by using a command prompt. Like you want to copy some file, so then problem will solved. Or you want to do some settings, some changes through the command prompt. Okay, or enabling, disabling something through command prompt. Also you can do it by go to command prompt from here. This is system restore option. System restoration options are usually like recently you install a application. Recently you install a application. After installation of application, system not working. You want to go to previous stage. You want to go to previous stage. If any system restoration points are created in your system, you can reset back to the previous stage. Got it? Very simple, guys. System restoration means you have to create a system restoration point. After that one, you install some application. For example, real-time scenario, VMware Workstation 12 Pro. 12 Pro. So when I install a VMware Workstation 12 Pro, there is an option called enhanced keyboard kind of option is there. That is the first time I've seen in the 12 Pro. Because when I use 8, 7 onwards, I'm using 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That option is not there. So when I installing 12 Pro, because it's that time is 12 Pro is a newly launched, enhanced keyboard kind of stuff option is there. I check that enhanced keyboard and I install the application. After installation of application, I got a blue screen of death. Blue screen of death. Blue screen error. I got it. It is look like this one. Yes, I'm also telling troubleshooting. Okay, this is the blue screen errors are there. So different stuff on different operating system, you'll get a blue screen of death like this. In Windows 10, mostly you'll get a QR code kind of stuff there. Okay, so I got this blue screen of death because of that application. So when I install some application, okay, so blue screen of death, it means if you got a blue screen error, it means system is dead. Normally, if you take this, if you got this blue screen error and you take your computer to the technician, he'll format your computer. Okay, but first of all, why it will come, we'll have to discuss. Because of conflict in hardware, mainly IO addresses or IO memories address. Okay. IRQ, interrupt request queues. Okay, so in that one, a conflict is generated. That is the first thing. Okay, so what is this conflict? Why these conflicts are occurs? It means newly installed hardware, change of hardware settings in BIOS. You know, when we are using Windows 7 time, mainly 7 time is used, 7 and 8 time it is very used. That is when we enable, so voice is installed, there are using for 6 months, 1 year, people are using a laptop for 1 year, 2 years. Now they don't know how to enable the virtualization. We enable the virtualization, automatically it is getting a blue screen of death. So no choice, nothing. So you have to revert it back. Okay. Changes in newly installed hardware, softwares because of applications, software or applications, installation or settings, like that. So because of this, you may get a blue screen of death. For me, okay. 2 times I got, multiple times I got the blue screen of death, but I recovered it. Okay. So this is my scenario. I installed VMware Workstation 12 Pro. Okay. So when installation, okay. So in an installation, so what I've done, I put a check mark, okay, enhanced keyboard. You know, when I shared a video, so how to install a VMware workstation, how to install a VMware workstation. So that time I specifically tell don't check these options. So one of the option is enhanced keyboard option. So why I said don't check it, because I got this problem. Okay. So the check mark is I done. Next, installed, completed. Now I got a blue screen of death. Get a blue screen of death. So I tried and tried. I showed my one of the technician. So luckily, one of my student is remembered my class, even though I didn't remember, and my one of my hardware trainer is also did not remember that point. But the guy is remember my class. So how to solve the blue screen of death? The guy is said, sir, better go to system restoration. So you already told how to do system restoration. I will try on your computer. Then he tried and he succeeded. Okay. So luckily, system restoration point is there. The solution is, okay. The solution is generally remove any recently installed hardware or application. Resetting the BIOS. Okay. Resetting BIOS or a change back the BIOS settings. If any changes you done. What are you done very recently? So roll back to the previous state. That's it only. So what are you done recently? Roll back to the previous state. So remove any recent installed hardware or applications to do it. So what I have done, I use system restore to roll back my system stage. So it removed VMware workstation. So my problem is solved. Use the system restore option, solve the problem. Okay. So from where to where I jumped? Yeah. How to solve the problem from here? I'm telling. So this is one of the best thing in this one. Guys, you can also try what is the system restoration and all, because we need a lot of time, guys. Windows 10 only will take 10 days. Very basic things to learn. Okay. See more options. System image recovery. What is system image recovery? System image recovery. So first of all, take system image backup. It is available in your system. Okay, an image backup or in external drive. If in case of system hard disk or OS is crashed, meaning is system is crashed. Meaning is your system is crashed. OS is crashed, hard disk is gone. So we can recover from image backup. Okay, as it is like a your operating system, driver, settings, user profile data, applications, everything as previously we can able to recover by to new hard disk or a old hard disk. New hard disk means your hard disk is gone, right? New hard disk or old hard disk. If you are if in case if it is working, means OS is crashed, whole hard disk. The data is deleted completely. Okay, no problem. Hard disk is working, but data is corrupted or deleted or crashed. Hard disk is crashed. Use a new hard disk and recover into new hard disk. This is a system recovery. So guys, these also features of your Windows 10 and troubleshooting of Windows 10, and some more things are there like a file history, BitLocker, Windows Defender kind of stuff is also there. Okay, this is how to troubleshoot with the advanced options, and troubleshoot option is also there. So reset your computer like a reset this option and advanced options. Again, it will reboot when you click on a exit. Okay, it won't come directly. Next, another troubleshoot option is there in any operating system. There is a troubleshoot option to troubleshoot your. So I'm just telling a recovery. In that one only I told some troubleshooting things about it, and maintenance things also very important here. File history is also it backups personal or profile users data. Okay, so that's a specific features. BitLocker, okay, it encrypt drive and lock drive with password. It's introduced in Windows 7 itself. Okay, it is introduced in Windows 7 itself. We have a BitLocker. File history is introduced in Windows 8. Reset refresh Windows 8. Windows Defender, Windows Vista. Okay, protect your system virus, spywares. Actually, it is for spywares only. Okay. Malwares. That's the thing. OneDrive. OneDrive. What is a OneDrive? Cloud storage. OneDrive, cloud storage. Okay, you can store the data, personal data or any data. You can store the data in the OneDrive. One more is there. Windows Store or Microsoft Store. Earlier name is Windows Store. Now it is a Microsoft Store. So it need a Microsoft account to store. It is like a your Play Store only. You can able to this store is not for a storing data. This store is to download applications, games, Xbox games, okay, applications, games, Xbox games, okay. You can sync with the Xbox also. So you can download, install applications, games, and of course Xbox games to your Microsoft account. And you can sync your Microsoft Xbox thing to here. So you need to log in with the Microsoft account. I already log in. Interface is little bit changed. Okay. So some are free games also there. See, WhatsApp desktop, Telegram desktop, Instagram desktop. Okay, Netflix, Prime, like this. Some are work smoothly, some are won't work, some are give you problem. Okay, Roblox, Candy Crush, okay, Minecraft. So you have to pay amount for a Minecraft. So this is something free game is there. The pictures are look good, but when you are used, not good. Big farms, see. So different type of games and also apps. Okay, Xbox apps also available. You can manage applications from here also. Okay, just like your Xbox console. Okay, you can sync Xbox games here also, but we need a graphic card. Okay, guys. So Windows stores introduced in Windows 8 itself. OneDrive is in Windows 8 itself. This is from Windows 7 onwards. Vista onwards. Any other features? If you remember, please tell me.
Bring your own device.
What it is?
Bring your own device. It's connect to mobile connect to the PC.
Yeah, right. That is casting, right?
Right.
Casting. Yeah, casting is also there. Like the Mira cast kind of stuff. Casting is there. Mobile casting is there. When I tried that mobile casting, you know, I took a first time very intelligently. So I took a Netflix mobile, 199 rupees. Then I thought I can watch by casting to my mobile to laptop. So I tried it. Then Netflix is more intelligent than me. So what it is, it knows I'm casting from my mobile to laptop. It is saying it is no, we can't able to use it. This is app not supported. Go to Netflix and buy another one. Okay. So like that, I used that for 2 months. Then later I upgraded myself. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, if I take four screen kind of stuff, 799 rupees. I can get a 1 month free because the mobile casting is mobile thing. Okay, so yeah, mobile casting is also there. Like casting screen is there. Projector is also there through Bluetooth or a thing means projector kind of stuff. We can project direct projector option is there. So like Bluetooth connectivity, projector connect. These are also there. Mobile hotspot, VPN, airplane mode, like that. Okay. So this is about your thing. Licensing is another hand. Okay. So licensing is another hand. So I'm just I'm going back once again. So I told about Windows 10 editions and different features of Windows 10. In that one, how to troubleshoot Windows 10 also I covered it. Okay, so I covered the troubleshooting options are available in Windows 10, and of course direct troubleshoot option is also there. So you can go to the troubleshoot options for if you have any issues. Just if you see that is also will cover here. I said no, system will reboot after you are going to that one. Okay, this is a feedback hub, get help, group music. These are the by default you are getting within the operating system. OneDrives to store the data, and you can get a troubleshoot option directly. You can try it. Troubleshoot settings, troubleshoot. Okay, I will go to troubleshoot settings. Okay, yes. In the settings, same thing. Here only troubleshoot. So go to Windows update is there now. So we went to update, same way, same thing only. You are getting troubleshoot option. Okay. So view troubleshoot here history. Additional troubleshooters don't run any troubleshooter. Run troubleshooters automatically. Don't notify, then notify. These are the options are there. What is the use of this troubleshoot kind of stuff? For example, I have an issue with my network. I have issue with my network. Go to troubleshooting network connection issues. Troubleshooting network connection issues. Okay. Or maybe I have a problem with my Bluetooth. I have a problem with my Bluetooth. Okay. So then also you can get a Bluetooth troubleshooting related things. Networking, and also you can go to devices. So this is the devices. For example, there is a problem I got a with the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay. So these are the device settings also there, and also you will get a fixing Bluetooth connections, reinstall Bluetooth drivers, share Bluetooth over things. Okay, printers. So what are the installed printers are there? If you got an issue with it, so you will get a different options to troubleshoot it, and also open troubleshooter settings also available. Okay, guys. So this is another one is so based on what are you are using the related troubleshooting options also available if in case something issue is there or based on that you can able to do it. Okay. So to any issues are there in your laptop, so then you can use these things to solve your problem. Okay. And also I explained about a blue screen of death also, so that is also completed. And last point I want to tell, and I will stop means session will be stopped. That is a license. Licensing is very important. So in Windows, compulsory activation is required. We are using For example, I am using here, it is evolution version. Once evolution is completed, it is asked you to provide a license key, so then it continue this thing. Okay, so what is this activation? Activation confirms. Okay, it confirms you are using genuine genuine OS, genuine Windows OS. Genuine. Okay, so that is what I guess. Genuine voice. Okay, genuine voice. Okay, product confirmation. Feature access. These are the things you will get it. For example, I'm using Windows Home Edition. I want to become Pro. So I have to purchase a Pro, insert a license key, then I will become Pro automatically. So then Pro related features may comes to me. Okay, so like that we can able to get it. And if you are not a genuine person, means you are not licensed, you cannot access certain features also, and you are also face issue with it. That's why we are downloaded Windows 10 Enterprise Evolution mainly. Okay, so we cannot use it for a production purpose, only for personal purpose for a limited period of time only. So in these licenses, three type of licenses are there: retail, OEM, and volume licenses are there. Retail means we purchase a license or OS from a retail shop or wholesale shop or from Microsoft. Like this. You purchase a license or operating system with license, the license key, only license or license from the retail shop or from Microsoft. Is a retail. It means you buy a CD, you buy a operating system CD. For example, I'm going to Amazon. Okay, I want a Windows 10. Okay, so you will get a Windows 10 CD, Windows 10 Home Edition, English 32-bit, 64-bit on USB 3.0 included, full retail pack, one user, one PC. Okay, you will get this box for 10,000 rupees with a pen drive inside. So pen drive type. Windows 10 32-bit, 64-bit, multi-boot 32 GB USB pen drive. One in one reinstall, repair, recovery, restore, fix your Windows 10. Something is given. Okay, so one bit defender. Okay, so this is nowadays you are getting pen drives. So like that. This is the DVDs. Also by DVD, also you can get it. We're nowadays very less DVD kind of stuff we are using. CD or DVD or pen drive you are purchasing. So you'll get a license key inside. So you have to enter the license key. Okay, so that is a retail purchasing. Or you can purchase it from the Microsoft directly. From Microsoft also you can purchase it and you will become retail editions are works like this. Remember, retail, it means retail. Okay, so for example, It is per user license, usually per PC per user license it is. Okay. For example, you format means you remove OS and reinstall. Then also reactivate with license key. Next, you remove current system, a PC or laptop. Okay, means you replace hardware, then you can reactivate with same key only. That is you replace the hardware also. You can use OEM. What is a OEM? So original equipment manufacturer. It means okay, license comes with hardware. It means you buy a laptop. Meaning is you buy a laptop or desktop. OS is pre-installed. You take a pre-installed. So license is okay. So pre-installed license is OEM type. Obviously, it is a OEM type. Next. Okay. If you remove OS and reinstall, automatically same OS edition automatically it activated. It will activate. That is the first one. Remove OS and reinstall a same OS edition automatically it activates. That's the first one. Replace your hardware means you want to put the license key into different laptop. Not works. This license won't work here. Okay. So that is the thing. So again, go to this. I'm going to computers and go to laptop. Some laptops. Usually you got a laptop, something laptop. Okay. Something this is a laptop. Okay. And it is saying it comes with a Windows 11. Meaning is this laptop is already installed with a Windows 11. Now you remove that Windows 11 and reinstall the Windows 11 again. Same edition, same operating system. Automatically it activate. Why? Because in this hardware only license key is stored. The hardware only license key is stored. You remove the OS and reinstall the same OS, automatically it is activated. That is the first thing. Second one is you want to change your laptop, the license key will be gone. You change your laptop, license key will be gone. So your hard in this system only that license key works. Or you want to install different OS. Mine is 11 home and I want to install 11 Pro. It won't work. It won't work. So 11 Pro separately you have to take the license. Okay, so that is you have to check it. It is a OEM means single hardware based on your hardware only license key is there. inside your hardware. Retail, any system you can put a license key, but only one system at a time you can use it. One system, one license, meaning is at a time one license here you can. One system only you can use it, either this or that one. OEM means same system only. Next, replace means volume. Volume means in enterprises. So multiple PCs or laptops are there, right? So activate multiple PCs or laptops or devices or servers to volume licensing server or KMS server. Okay, means we use this thing in a enterprises only. We use volume licensing in enterprises, means in organizations, to activate multiple PCs, laptops and all. We activate laptops, servers kind of stuff through volume licensing or a KMS servers. Key management services. KMS means key management service. Okay, we can activate it. Means 10 licenses, 10 computers or 100 computers can be licensed by server only. So we don't do it in a individual manners. Okay. Mostly volume licensing for a Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 or a Windows 10 Enterprises. We use volume licensing. Okay. Home editions we don't use in enterprises. Okay. So this is about your licensing. Okay. So what are the licenses? So it is activation. It confirms your product. You are using genuine voice. Product confirmation. Future enable or access. This will increases. Retail, OEM, volume. Guys, understand? Okay, no one is speaking anything. Everybody feeling hungry and expected something, and I'm not doing that. And so I'm telling so much of theory today.